Hi, I'm Joe Rice, number 21.
And I'm Cam Markham, number 9. And this is,
Name that sound with the face. All right, first one.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. You gotta make the face.
Wait.
You have to make the face.
I did make the face.
Oh, I didn't see you looking at it. Like towards the camera you did?
Like at the start, yeah. Do I gotta stick with it?
Yeah, you gotta show it back to the camera when he makes the sound.
Okay.
Okay. From the top?
From the top?
Okay.
Do we have to do the introduction?
No.
No. Okay.
I don't think.
All right, first one.
Okay. 3. Okay. Now you can stop.
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So now I show you.
Yeah, and I make the sound.
Okay. Okay, you have to count down.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
4. Oh, I'm gonna run out of faces.
All right, I'm gonna make this one.
That's similar to the last.
What should I do? Run out of faces.
Okay.
You like that?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
Wait, I gotta think it.
Okay, you ready? Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Okay, now you gotta go again.
Man, I gotta think of a face. Yeah?
Okay, sure. Okay. Sure. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
I'm just gonna scream as loud as I can.
No, or you could just go quiet, like. Okay. And you gotta count down.
Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.